Welcome to the application protocol for NemaForce HB. We are going to walk through exactly how to mix and apply this product to protect your ornamental crops, turf, and nursery plants. Before we start, it is crucial to understand what you are handling. These are entomopathogenic nematodes. They are microscopic, living organisms swimming rapidly through their environment, and they act as an active biological control beneath the soil surface. To properly deploy them, you need a few specific items: your NemaForce HB product trays, standard spray equipment like a tank or backpack sprayer, a clean mixing bucket, and a source of cool, clean water. Look at this thermometer graphic showing our safe operating range. The soil you are treating must fall strictly between 59 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit prior to application. Because direct sunlight and UV radiation are lethal to nematodes, timing is critical. You must schedule your application for the early morning, late in the evening, or during an active rain shower. Ensure the target soil is thoroughly pre-moistened before you begin mixing. Treating NemaForce HB as a living organism rather than a chemical pesticide dictates every step of this process. Following these environmental prerequisites ensures your nematodes survive the application and work effectively. Step 1 is preparing your hardware. Open up your backpack or tank sprayer to access the internal components. Locate and completely remove any inline filters or screens from the equipment. Leaving these filters in place will either physically crush the nematodes as they pass through, or block them entirely from leaving the tank. Next, we prepare the premix in a separate bucket. NemaForce HB comes in either 50 million or 250 million count trays, packaged with a gel filler. This proportional graphic shows the required baseline ratio. You must use a minimum of 1 liter of water for every single product tray you are mixing. Add your trays to the water and stir the bucket contents thoroughly until the gel filler dissolves completely. A fully dissolved premix paired with your newly filter-free equipment guarantees the nematodes will survive the journey out of the nozzle without causing hardware clogs. Moving to the main spray vessel, fill the tank exactly halfway with cool, clean water. Firmly, you must turn on the tank's agitation system right now, before adding any of the biological product to the main tank. Pour your bucket premix into the agitated tank, then thoroughly rinse the empty mixing bucket with clean water, and pour that rinse water into the tank as well. This ensures no product is left behind. Finally, fill the tank to your required total volume while the agitation system keeps running. Observe the rapidly churning water inside this tank. This continuous, intense turbulent movement is required to keep the organism safely suspended in the liquid. If the agitation stops at any point, the nematodes will rapidly sink and settle in a heavy layer at the bottom of the tank. Relentless agitation from the moment of loading until the tank is empty ensures you are applying a uniform, accurate rate of nematodes across your entire crop. Apply the mixture at a steady, consistent pace over your target turf or nursery area. Keep the tank's agitation system running for the entire physical spraying process. Once the product is applied, you must follow up with immediate, heavy irrigation over the freshly treated area. This step physically washes the nematodes off any plant foliage and pushes them deep into the soil profile where they belong. This timeline outlines your mandatory irrigation deadlines. Under hot, dry environmental conditions, you must complete this heavy watering in within 30 minutes of your spray application. If you are operating under cool, wet conditions, that deadline is expanded to 2 hours. Missing these watering in deadlines leaves the nematodes stranded, where they will dry out and die on the plant leaves before reaching the soil pests. Once that heavy irrigation step is finished, your physical application process is complete. Now begins a mandatory 2-week maintenance phase, giving the nematodes ample time to actively establish their living population underground. Look at this 14-day calendar. For this duration, the treated soil must remain continuously moist and within that original 59 to 86 degree temperature range. To explore the full line of biological control products, visit greenmethods.com.